from me. Keep up, I'm too fast, I'm too fast.